आप सभी लोग वेलकम एट आवर चैनल। सो ये है आज का सेकंड पार्ट, नर्वस सिस्टम पार्ट 2। सो गाइस, आज हम नर्वस सिस्टम के बारे में और जानेंगे। लेट्स स्टार्ट।
Hello friends, in last video we have talked about CNS, Central Nervous System. Today we are going to discuss about PNS, that is Peripheral Nervous System. The nerves, all the nerves of the body, they form the PNS. Okay. In this image you can see so many thin thread-like fibers, thread-like structures you can see, they are going throughout the body. These are the nerves. Okay, you can see na thin thread-like structures. They are spread out in whole body. These are the nerves. Okay, they are thin, long, thread-like structures, thread-like fibers that form a network in our body. है ना, एक network के जैसा बनाते हैं and carry messages between brain, spinal cord and different parts of the body. Okay, so these are nerves. They help us feel, move, think and react in the form of impulses or the electric signal. Okay. So you can see the nerves. They are thin, long, thread-like fibers that form a network in our body. है ना? They carry messages in the form of impulses. Means in the form of electric signals. है ना? So they carry messages between the brain, spinal cord and different parts of the body. So the nerves, they are the message carriers of the nervous system. है ना? So a nerve cell is called the neuron. You can see the structure of a nerve cell or a neuron. You can see. So the nerve cells, they help us feel, move, think and react in the form of impulses. The nerves, they form PNS connecting the CNS to rest of the body. है ना? ये PNS बनाती है peripheral nervous system, that connects the brain, CNS, brain and spinal cord to the rest of the body. The nerves are made up of nerve cells. They are called the neurons, and neuron is the basic unit of nervous system. Now, the network of nerves branches out from the spinal cord and the brain like branches of a tree. है ना? Just as the branches of a tree spread out, the network of nerves also reaches out to all parts of the body. मतलब जैसे ट्री की ब्रांचेस होती है, स्प्रेड होती है चारों तरफ, उसी तरह से जो नर्व्स का नेटवर्क होता है वो भी स्प्रेड होता है और बॉडी के हर पार्ट में पहुंचता है. ओके. नर्व्स क्या करती है? नर्व्स गैदर इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम ऑल बॉडी ऑर्गन्स. सारे बॉडी ऑर्गन्स से इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट करती है, इंक्लूडिंग द सेंस ऑर्गन्स, एंड सेंड द इंफॉर्मेशन टू द ब्रेन. फिर ये इंफॉर्मेशन ब्रेन को सेंड की जाती है. ओके. देन द ब्रेन प्रोसेसेस दिस इंफॉर्मेशन एंड नर्व्स कैरी द कमांड्स फ्रॉम द ब्रेन टू द टारगेटेड ऑर्गन्स. ब्रेन उस इंफॉर्मेशन को प्रोसेस करता है. सो व्हाट आर द फंक्शंस ऑफ द nerves? The nerves, they carry messages from sense organ to brain. Nerves सारे messages carry करती है sense organs to brain. Then nerves carry brain orders to muscles and glands. And nerves help in movement also, in sensations and in reflex action. So these are the functions of nerves. So you can say the nerves they are thin, long fibers that carry the messages between the brain, spinal cord and different parts of the body. Thin long fibers होते हैं, messages carry करती है nerves between the brain, spinal cord and different parts of the body, and they help us feel, move, think and react. इन सब चीजों में हमको ये help करती हैं. Nerves, they are made of neurons, nerve cells. Okay, nerve cells, they are called as the neuron. So these are the functions of nerves. Okay, now what are the types of nerves? Let's see. So now let's talk about types of nerves. On the basis of origin, two types of nerves are there: cranial nerves and spinal nerves. Cranial nerves, they are of 12 pairs. They are emerging from the brain. These cranial nerves controlling head and face functions, especially smell, vision, taste. And spinal nerves, they are of 31 pairs. They are emerging from the spinal cord and they connect rest of the body for movements and sensation, है ना, पूरी बॉडी को कनेक्ट करती है मूवमेंट्स एंड सेंसेशन के लिए. 31 pairs of spinal nerves and 12 pairs of cranial nerves and 31 pairs of spinal nerves. Okay, now on the basis of functions, types of functional nerves are sensory nerves, motor nerves and mixed nerves. What are the sensory nerves? So the sensory nerves, they carry impulses as messages from the sense organ to the brain or the spinal cord. They are also called the afferent nerves. Then next type of nerves, motor nerves. They carry impulses from brain or spinal cord to muscles and glands. And they are also called as efferent nerves. Third number is mixed nerves. They carry impulses in both directions, है ना? From the body to the brain and from the brain back to the body. Okay, ये both direction में काम करती हैं. And most of the nerves of our body, they are mixed nerves. Okay, they perform the functions of both sensory and motor nerves. दोनों नर्व्स का काम करती हैं, मोटर नर्व्स का भी और सेंसरी नर्व्स का भी. Okay, so these are the types of nerves. On the basis of origin, they are cranial nerves and spinal nerves. And on the functional basis, sensory nerves, motor nerves and mixed nerves. Okay, sensory nerves, they carry messages from sense organs to brain or spinal cord, and motor nerves, they carry impulses from brain or spinal cord to muscles and glands. Okay, and mixed nerves, they carry impulses in both the directions, from body to brain and from brain back to the body. Okay, so these are the types of nerves. So the sensory nerves, they carry message from sense organ to the brain and spinal cord. They help us feel pain, touch, heat, cold, taste and smell, है ना? For example, feeling pain when we touch a hot object, ना, जब किसी हम गर्म ऑब्जेक्ट को, गर्म चीज को छुएंगे तो we feel pain, है ना? These are because of sensory nerves, ना? They carry this message from sense organ to brain or spinal cord. Okay. Then motor nerves, they carry message from brain or spinal cord to muscles and glands, है ना? They help in movement. For example, moving the hand away from a hot object, है ना? जब हमको कोई हॉट ऑब्जेक्ट फील होगा, गर्म चीज फील होगी, तो हम अपना हाथ वहां से हटा लेते हैं. ओके, सो दीज मोटर नर्व्स, दे कैरी मैसेज फ्रॉम स्पाइनल कॉर्ड और ब्रेन टू द मसल्स, है ना? एंड आवर मसल्स मूव फ्रॉम दैट प्लेस वेयर द हॉट ऑब्जेक्ट is there or some danger is there, some harmful thing is there. Okay, then mixed nerves, they carry both sensory and motor impulses. Most nerves in the body, they are mixed nerves. Example, spinal nerves, they are the mixed nerves. Okay, so these are the types of nerves. So we can say the nerves, they are message carrying structures of the nervous system. Message carry करती हैं nerves. Okay, and they connect the brain and spinal cord with the rest of the body, है ना? Brain spinal cord को full body से connect करती हैं. 3 types of nerves are there: sensory, motor and mixed nerves. Okay, so now let's talk about reflex action, है ना? What are reflex action? Quick, automatic, involuntary response to a stimulus. Quick responses जो होते हैं involuntary होते हैं, without thinking होते हैं, response to a stimulus, they are reflex action. Now what is a stimulus? Stimulus is any change in the surroundings that alters the activity of a living organism. कोई भी surrounding में change होता है that alters the activity of a living organism, जो किसी organism की activity को alter कर देता है, change कर देता है, that is a stimulus. Stimulus is anything that can trigger a physical or behavioral change. Stimulus वो होता है जिससे ट्रिगर हो जाती है कोई भी फिजिकल या बिहेवियरल चेंज. ओके, दिस इज स्टिमुलस. एंड व्हाट इज रिस्पॉन्स? द रिएक्शन शोन बाय अवर लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म टू द स्टिमुलस. मतलब जो रिएक्शन होती है स्टिमुलस के एवज में. स्टिमुलस, जब आपको कोई स्टिमुलस मिलता है, द रिएक्शन शोन बाय लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म, लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म को एक रिएक्शन शो करते हैं आपकी बॉडी रिएक्शन शो करती है टू द स्टिमुलस से. सो दिस इज अ response. This is called as response. Okay. So a stimulus is anything that can trigger a physical or behavioral change, and the response is the reaction shown by a living organism to the stimulus. It's called a response. Stimulus can be of different types. अलग अलग तरह के stimulus हो सकते हैं. Example, touching something hot object. This can be stimulus. What will happen? You can pull your hands away. Okay, stimulus can be hearing loud sound. Here, what is stimulus? Sound. Loud sound is stimulus. And what can be the response? You can cover your ears. This can be the response. Okay. Now, stimulus can be seeing a bright light. So, here is bright light is the stimulus. And what you can do? You can close your eyes. This can be the response. Now, smelling perfume or smelling something good. What will happen? You can feel pleasant in this. A good smell, it can be stimulus, and you can feel good, you can feel relaxed. This will be your response. So this is the stimulus and response. And what are the reflex action? Quick and automatic involuntary response without any thinking to a stimulus. They are reflex action. How it works? कैसे ये काम करता है? So the stimulus is detected by sense organ. Sense organ stimulus को detect करते हैं. Then message goes to the brain or spinal cord. Brain और spinal cord को message जाता है. Then brain and spinal cord they send signals to muscles or organs. ब्रेन और स्पाइनल कोड क्या करते हैं? जो सिग्नल्स होते हैं वे सेंड करते हैं मसल्स या ऑर्गन्स में. देन बॉडी शोज अ रिस्पॉन्स, और फिर आपकी बॉडी रिस्पॉन्स शो. सो एग्जांपल वी हैव डिस्कस्ड. Sometimes you feel the fragrance of perfume. So this can be stimulus for you. Then what will happen? You can feel the pleasant smell. And you can take a deep breath and you can feel happy and relaxed because of the stimulus, that is perfume. So here perfume is your stimulus and your response is feeling pleasant, and your mood, if your mood is happy, you are feeling relaxed. So this is your response of your body towards the perfume, smelling of perfume. Okay. So the reflex action is quick, automatic and involuntary response to a stimulus. And why reflex action happen? Reflex action होते क्यों है? Reflex action to protect the body from injury or any danger. किसी भी injury और danger या किसी बुरी चीज से या harm से body को बचाने के लिए reflex actions होते हैं. And they are so quick, they are automatic and involuntary. Okay. And the reflex action, they are controlled by the spinal cord, not the brain. So for example, when you hear good music, you turn your heads towards it, है ना? आपको response मिला good music का, तो you can turn your head towards that, है ना? Here the stimulus is music and the response is the turning of your head. For most of the stimuli, what happens? Stimuli is the plural form. For most stimuli, the brain controls the response of the organism, है ना? Brain control करता है. But there are, however, some actions that are not directly controlled by the brain. कुछ actions ऐसे भी हैं जिनको directly brain नहीं control करता. For example, when we accidentally touch a hot object, we immediately withdraw our hand. जैसे हम किसी hot object को touch करते हैं, तो suddenly क्या होगा? हम हमारा hand वहां से हटा देते हैं, है ना? Such fast and automatic reactions, they are controlled by the spinal cord. ये जो actions होते हैं, they are controlled by spinal cord, है ना? They are not controlled by directly by the brain. Okay. So what happens? The spinal cord process the information that the object is hot. जो spinal cord है, आप उसको जब information मिलती है that something is hot, तो it just process the information and automatically sends a message. वो एक message send करता है through the motor nerves, है ना? Sensory nerves, they carry message to the spinal cord. Then motor nerves, they carry the message from the spinal cord to hand muscles, asking it to withdraw. मतलब आपको motor nerves जो है message send करती है hands को, muscles को, let's move your hand from that hot object. तो आप क्या करते हैं? आप उसको आपके hand को वहां से हटा लेते हैं. Thus when the hand feels a hot object, जैसे आपका hand कोई hot object को feel करता है, what happens? The hand is quickly moved away through reflex action. आपका hand जो है, हाथ उस hot object से अपने आप हट जाता है. क्यों हट जाता है? Through the reflex action. Reflex action की वजह से आपका हाथ sudden वहां से हट जाता है without any thinking. है ना? This is the involuntary action. आपको इसके लिए सोचना नहीं पड़ता है. In this case, the heat from the object is the stimulus. Heat क्या है? Object से heat is the stimulus. And moving your hand away is the extremely quick response. और आपका हाथ जो आप hot object से हटाते हो, is extremely quick, बहुत जल्दी से होता है, extremely quick response, और you can say this is the reflex action. है ना? तो other example of reflex actions are the blinking of our eyes. है ना? They are also reflex actions when harsh light falls on them. अगर कोई ऐसी harsh light आपकी eyes पे होंगी तो ये blinking of our eyes है ना, हमारी eyes blink होती है, तो this is reflex action. And quick moving of the hand away from a pointed object. अगर आपने किसी sharp object को, pointed object को आपने touch कर लिया तो आपका hand जो है quick move कर जाएगा without any thinking. So thus the reflex action is the involuntary and sudden response. Involuntary है जिसके लिए आपको सोचना नहीं पड़ता, इच्छा नहीं करनी पड़ती, and sudden response to some situations. कुछ situations ऐसी होती हैं उसमें sudden response आता है, quick response आता है without any thinking. So this is the reflex action. I think hope you got this thing. Okay, what are the reflex action? Okay. So now let's talk about the function of nervous system. Nervous system is body's master control and communication network and coordinates work of different organs. Yes, receives messages from sense organs. Sense organs are eyes, ears, nose and tongue. So the nervous system receives information from the outside world through the sense organs. Sense organs, they provide information to the nervous system. है ना, सेंस ऑर्गन्स इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड करते हैं नर्वस सिस्टम को. देन द नर्वस सिस्टम प्रोसेसेस एंड इंटरप्रेट्स द इंफॉर्मेशन रिसीव्ड. जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन रिसीव होती है नर्वस सिस्टम उसको प्रोसेस करता है. नर्वस सिस्टम सेंड्स मैसेजेस, दैट मीन्स रिस्पॉन्स, सेंड्स कमांड्स टू फ्रॉम ब्रेन एंड स्पाइनल कॉर्ड टू द मसल्स एंड ग्लैंड्स. है ना, तो इट डायरेक्ट्स द बॉडी टू टेक सुटेबल एक्शन. बॉडी को डायरेक्ट करता है सुटेबल एक्शन लेने के लिए एंड रिस्पॉन्ड अप्रोप्रिएटली. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, if you bite into a slice of pizza ना, अगर आप पिज्जा खाते हो, एक स्लाइस खाते हो, so what happens, your sense organ, the tongue sends information to your brain. है ना, आपकी tongue information भेजती है ब्रेन को that the pizza is very tasty. आपको टेस्टी लगता है वो. Then what happens, the brain processes this information and sends a message to your hands to pick up one more slice of pizza. आपके hands को message भेजता है कि चलो one more slice you can take. Then nervous system helps in movement. Okay, controls movement of muscles such as walking, writing, running. The nervous system helps in thinking, learning, reasoning, and memory. Nervous system produces quick responses to harmful situations, like pulling hand from fire. Then maintains body balance and internal control, help in balance, breathing, heartbeat, digestion. है ना? This is internal control by nervous system. So these are the functions of nervous system. The structure and development of the nervous system varies among animals. है ना? अलग-अलग animals में अलग-अलग nervous system होता है, varies करता है. Well-developed brain that has the ability to not only respond to changes in the surrounding but also to think. है ना, यानी think, feel, reason, remember. है ना, this kind of well developed brain, it is seen only in human beings. Okay, हाँ, means only human beings में ही well developed brain in nervous system we can found ना. Okay, और other animals में different kinds of nervous systems are there in different organisms. Sponge, they are only animals which lack of a nervous system. Spongy ऐसे animals हैं जिनमें nervous system नहीं होता, they lack of nervous system. The next in insects and worms, they have a primitive brain. है ना, starting का primitive brain होता है, immature होता है, that responds to changes in the surroundings. है ना, जो response करता है surrounding में जो भी changes होती हैं उनके लिए ये response करता है in insects and in worms. In fish, in reptiles and bird, दे शो द प्रेजेंस ऑफ अ ब्रेन, स्पाइनल कोड एंड नर्व्स, उनमें ब्रेन, स्पाइनल कोड एंड नर्व्स मिलती है. द नर्वस सिस्टम इन दीज एनिमल्स डिफर इन टर्म्स ऑफ द साइज, कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी एंड डेवलपमेंट ऑफ देयर ब्रेन्स. मतलब उनमें डिफरेंट होता है, इसका साइज भी डिफरेंट होता है, इसकी कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी भी डिफरेंट होती है और डेवलपमेंट भी इनमें डिफरेंट होता है. बट fully grown and fully well developed brain and nervous system, it is found only in human beings. So now let's talk about sense organ. You all know about sense organs. We have 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. Okay, so these are our sense organs. है ना? Our sense organs, they act like windows, है ना, to the outside world. बाहर की वर्ल्ड से एक तरह से विंडो का काम करते हैं. दे गेदर इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम आवर सराउंडिंग्स एंड इनेबल अस टू रिस्पॉन्ड टू दिस इंफॉर्मेशन. है ना, ये इंफॉर्मेशन गैदर करते हैं एंड इनेबल अस टू रिस्पॉन्ड टू दिस इंफॉर्मेशन. ओके, सो दीज 5 सेंस ऑर्गन्स, दे परसीव, दे हेल्प अस परसीव साइट, साउंड, स्मेल, टेस्ट एंड टच. है ना, the information received by the receptors in the sense organs from the external surroundings is called stimuli. है ना, singular is stimulus. So the information received by the receptors, sense organs में receptors होते हैं. So the sense organ, what they do, they just receive the information from external surroundings by the receptors. Okay, so this information is stimuli. Then the nerves, they collect the information from sense organs. Nerves क्या करती है, sense organs से सारी information collect करती है and send it to the brain. Then what happens? Brain process this information. जो information उन्हें sense organ से nerves के through मिली है, brain उस information को process करता है and decides the action or response. और फिर action और response decide करता है, and action or response to the stimulus received from the surrounding. तो जो उन्हें स्टिमुलस मिला है उसके लिए वो एक्शन और रिस्पॉन्स डिसाइड करता है. वॉट एवर इट गॉट द इंफॉर्मेशन और स्टिमुलस फ्रॉम द सराउंडिंग्स. देन व्हाट हैपन्स, द कमांड टू कैरी आउट द सुटेबल एक्शन इज कैरिड बैक बाय द नर्व्स टू द पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी दैट नीड्स द रिस्पॉन्ड टू द स्टिमुलस. फिर जो बॉडी पार्ट है जिसको रिस्पॉन्स करना है, वहां पर ऑर्डर कैरी किया जाता है with the nerves, again carried back the order of the brain by the nerves, by the motor nerves. Okay, then what happens, then our body part, it respond to the stimulus. We have already discussed the example when we hear sounds in our surroundings. है ना, हमें अगर कोई हमारे surroundings में sound सुनाई दिया, our ears send messages to our brain. हमारे ears क्या करते हैं, मैसेज सेंड करते हैं ब्रेन को थ्रू स्पेशल नर्व्स. ओके, स्पेशल नर्व्स के थ्रू ब्रेन को मैसेज सेंड करते हैं. देन व्हाट ब्रेन डज, आवर ब्रेन देन प्रोसेसेस दीज मैसेजेस. इन मैसेज को वो ब्रेन प्रोसेस करता है एंड रिकॉग्नाइजेस द साउंड, और साउंड को रिकॉग्नाइज करता है ना. दिस प्रोसेस हैपन्स थ्रू द सेंस ऑर्गन्स. So the sense organs, they help us understand the world around us by receiving information and send it to the brain. Okay, ये रिसीव करते हैं इंफॉर्मेशन, स्टिमुलस रिसीव करते हैं एंड सेंडिंग इट टू द ब्रेन. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द ऑल 5 सेंस ऑर्गन्स. फर्स्ट, आईज. दे आर द ऑर्गन्स ऑफ साइट. दे हेल्प अस सी कलर, शेप्स, ऑब्जेक्ट्स, डिटेक्ट लाइट, ब्लिंक टू प्रोटेक्ट फ्रॉम डस्ट. है ना, दे कलेक्ट विजुअल इमेजेस फ्रॉम आवर सराउंडिंग्स इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ लाइट. क्या करते हैं, विजुअल जो मैसेजेस होते हैं हमारे सराउंडिंग्स में उनको कलेक्ट करते हैं. देन दीज मैसेजेस आर कैरीड बाय द ऑप्टिक नर्व. ये मैसेजेस कैरी होते हैं ऑप्टिक नर्व्स के थ्रू, विच इज लोकेटेड बिहाइंड द आईज टू द ब्रेन, जो कि आईज के पीछे लोकेट होती है. तो ये मैसेज ऑप्टिक नर्व के थ्रू ब्रेन को जाते हैं. देन दीज मैसेजेस आर प्रोसेस बाय आवर ब्रेन एंड हेल्प अस टू रिकॉग्नाइज द ऑब्जेक्ट अराउंड अस. ब्रेन उसको प्रोसेस करता है और जो भी ऑब्जेक्ट हमारे आसपास है उसको हम रिकॉग्नाइज कर सकते हैं. सो दिस यू कैन सी द ऑप्टिक नर्व प्रेजेंट बिहाइंड द आईज एंड दिस ऑप्टिक नर्व कैरीज द मैसेज टू द ब्रेन. ओके, इस तरह से हमारी आईज वर्क करती है. And what should we do for caring of our eyes? You should care of your eyes. What you should do, you should wash your eyes every day with clean water. Do not rub your eyes if something falls into them, and wash your eyes immediately with clean water. Limit your screen time, है ना? It's very important. You should limit your screen time. If you are looking at a screen, reduce the brightness of the device and watch it from a distance. ठीक है, थोड़ा दूर से देखें, उसकी brightness कम कर दें. Eat plenty of vegetables and fruits that are rich in vitamin A that keep your eyes healthy. So you should care of your eyes. So next sense organs are ears. They are the organs of hearing, you know. They also help to maintain the balance of the body. The sound waves, what happens? The sound waves travel through the air into our ear canal. है ना, जो sound waves होती है travel करती है air के through और ear canal में जाती हैं. These sound waves, they are further carried to the eardrum. फिर वो eardrum में पहुंचती है, which vibrates and sends the messages to the auditory nerve. है ना, वहां पर एक auditory nerve होती है. Eardrum vibrates होता है और जो message होता है वो auditory nerves पे जाता है. Then auditory nerves in the ears, they carry messages from the ears to the brain. Auditory nerves क्या करती है? जो message है वो carry करती है from ears to the brain. Then what happens? The brain processes this message and helps us to differentiate the different sounds we hear. जो हम अलग अलग sound सुनते हैं उनको differentiate करता है. You can see the structure of the ear. The sound waves, they travel through the ear canal. Then eardrum, it vibrates and send the message to auditory nerve. Auditory nerve, the messages carries to the brain, and then brain process the messages. Okay. You should care about your ears also. What should you do? You should wipe your ears with a clean cotton cloth after a bath, and do not use sharp or pointed objects in your ears to clean them, because they can harm your ear canal, eardrum. Okay. And avoid loud noises because they can damage the eardrum. Then next sense organ is nose. Of course, it helps in sense of smell, help us smell different odors, also helps in breathing. When we smell perfume, response, we feel a pleasant smell and may turn our head towards it. हमको ऐसी खुशबू सी आती है, fragrance आती है, तो what we do, we just turn our head towards that. What happens? The several nerves connected to the inner lining of the nose, है ना, nose की inner lining पे several nerves होती हैं, they are connected there, and these nerves, they carry messages to the brain. The brain recognizes the messages. Brain recognize करता है message को and help us to identify the smell. हमको smell identify करने में help करता है. It help us breathe and smell, and the nerves connected the inner lining of the nose, they carry messages to the brain, and brain process and recognize the message and help us to identify the smell. You should care of your nose also. Keep your nose clean by blowing it gently. Use a clean handkerchief to clean your nose. Avoid inhaling smoke and fumes that can irritate your nose. So thus you should care of your nose also. So the next sense organ is tongue. It is the organ of taste. You all know. I think your favorite sense organs. Numerous taste buds, they are present on the surface of the tongue, help in tasting food. अलग अलग taste करते हैं हम food को because of that. So numerous taste buds are present on surface of our tongue. The nerves attached to the taste buds, they carry messages to the brain, which then helps to recognize the taste of the food. Okay, and you should care of your tongue also. Use a tongue cleaner to clean your tongue. And when you brush your teeth in the morning and the night, clean your tongue. So you should care about your tongue also. So you can see the tiny buds, taste buds on your tongue. They help in detecting the flavors of the food. Okay. Last sense organ is your skin. It is the largest sense organ. Help us feel hot, cold, pressure, pain, smooth and rough textures. There are many nerves in the skin, and the skin help us to sense temperature and hot and cold temperature, and pain also, and to feel things also. So you can see the skin. There are many nerves found in the skin. The skin help us to sense temperatures and all. And you should take care of your skin also. How? take a bath regularly with soap and clean water to remove dirt from the body, है ना? I think you all do the same thing daily. Wipe your body with a clean towel after a bath. Wear clean clothes. Drink at least 6 glasses of water every day for protecting your skin. Protect your skin from direct sunlight. Vegetables, fruits, milk, curd, cucumbers, tomatoes, beetroot, pulses, fish, eggs, and morning sunlight, they are all good for the skin. So, I hope you understand. So, now these are all the sense organs. These are the sense organs. How sense organs works? We receive a stimulus like smell of perfume, sound, light. Then sense organs detects it. Then nerves carry the messages to the brain and brain gives a response. Okay. So these are the sense organs. Got it? I hope you have understood all the things, all the sense organs. This is the complete nervous system. So in next video, we will discuss about a new topic. Okay, till then, bye. Hope you liked the video and understood the concepts behind these these topics. Hope you understood the whole nervous system. So if you have liked the video, please do subscribe and like the video. So we will meet in new video. Till then, bye.
Bye everyone. We will meet in a new video with a new topic. Till then, bye. And do remember like, subscribe and share. और गाइस हमने एक चीज नोटिस की है कि हम लोग सब्सक्राइब नहीं करते हो, ना लाइक करते हो, ना सब्सक्राइब करते हो. अगर आपको और आपको नॉलेज चाहिए तो लाइक सब्सक्राइब कर देना. बाय.